what's up guys? This is your boy to be the entertainer. Today we're going to check out Mogabela. They just called and said they are finished. They're actually done with the painting of the car. So what we need to do, this is a gravel road. They must just say it's gravel road. Yeah, they finished painting the car, so we're just gonna go there and collect it. When we get there, we're gonna collect it, and yeah, they're just gonna put back all the mechanical parts which were removed. And yeah, it should start today or tomorrow. But since the cosmetic part of the car is done, all we now need is to go tow the car. And yeah, let's go with it. Let me quickly go there because I think the chains are already there. I just saw the statuses, and sometimes I don't get informed. I just find out by myself. So yeah, let's do this, guys. Let's do this. Mogabela, here we come. Hey guys, there's Mogabela. I found them. I found Mogabela. Here's Mogabela. So yeah guys, I managed to find Mogabela. Ho ho! So yeah, they're pulling it. Yes baby. Yes baby, Mogabela. How are you, Mogabela? The tires are full, but these tires are not top notch. Yeah. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, here is Mogabela. Mogabela, the car which is going to be very nice. The car which is going to be very, very nice and very fast. Very everything. So yeah, there's Vici there. I think what we need to do right now is to put in those things on the doors. Yeah, the doors. Remember that this car, the doors were messed up. So the doors on this car were bought separately. The doors were bought separately. And yeah, right now, the guy we got these doors which are on this car from didn't give us this bolt to full bolt. It didn't give us full bolt. So this passenger, the rear passenger door is not on. The rear passenger door is not on. Let me go this side just to show you. Let me go this side just to show you. So yeah, the rear passenger door is not on because he didn't give us the bolt. So yeah, we are not complete. We still need the bolts. So we're gonna get the bolts. We're gonna get the bolts. We're gonna get the bolts. And yeah, the doors are gonna be in. Ah, give my share anyone. If I got a GP one, will just smell my body one. Fresh air. Seat. Oh, when I see it, look at the seat. What type of seat is this? This guy's seat. No. So yeah, at least like the paint job is done. At least the paint job is done, guys. And what's needed right now is small mechanical part. That's gonna be it. And that's gonna be it. That's gonna be it. I think it should start. If we have time to stay today, it should start. But if we don't have time, it won't start. I think what we need to get is the radiator. It's a radiator, battery, And what else? I think that's the only two things we need. Yeah, radiator. It's a radiator and a battery. That will be it. Radiator. I just hope people working on this car really have time for it, because if you take this car to people, look at that paint job. But I think we worked in reverse. A car should be mechanically worked and then taken to paint job. But the problem is this car had to be fully painted, so some things had to be removed before the painting is started. But anyhow, we work how we work and we learn. Now let's take Mogabela to be work mechanically. Put in the doors and stuff. Urlo nyoko bana ma?
Grata.
Mang?
Grata.
Katra. Ke mo founela o nyoko modieng.
Wala gai.
Ao feng?
Wala gai.
Defi.
80.
Ye jwang ka khala?
Red.
O nyoko teng ka yona wena?
Ke girisha ka yona.
O risa lema.
Grata.
So yeah, Mogabela is here. Gabi. And check out the paint job. The door I've been telling you about is this one. So we didn't have those things here. Didn't have those things. So these doors were blue. If you check it there, it's blue color. So these doors were blue, but they are nice condition. Their condition is better than how the previous ones were, and yeah. Let's just go in and do the things. Mogabela, baby, you better be on the road very soon. Kemiro loya rala. Rala utama Kemiro. Yeah, now we're taking it in.
Hey,
Let's go, Mogabela.
now you're taking Mogabela in.
Yeah, Mogabela is going in.
And then it will go out when it's
Complete.
complete.
Yeah. The day we come here, we're going to take it.
Yeah.
It will start. Now drive. So the doors were from here. The doors were from here. Sharp. So here is the door. The door. Bo bona o tsele trench go ambo. O ka tla patamisha ka side ya pentre bana. Ah wa bana.
Oh.
La le patamele ka kuwa re le patama wa le change le dry o ka se le patamisha ka mo le pentilwe. A le teka mo gona. A le teso le tsene ka mo. Ka golf le mputse di ya phoso le nshia. Yo bija nna ke bolo bontsha everything. Emanyane man. Mama ska wala. Ah, wa bona. Ba thanna ka surprise me.
Regipet.
Ah, okay, batha go. Bo bia le batlile ka mo le fetela ba le. Discretion di sa to.
Auluki.
Mama re try to man. Why was so fali mo di. Mogabela. We will see you, Mogabela. Abu, zake. Aku zale. Yeah, we dropped off Mogabela, but it was nobody. No way. Bebe gile ka maotu ka Travis. Ke ke re go ka kitimela. So yeah, we put Mogabela. It's high. Sharp. Get drive. This is the guy who was sitting on that thing. Yeah. You saw where we took. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen. So that guy needs to put in his things, and yeah, that's how we do builds. Our style. Guys, I understand that some people don't understand the way we do things, but we are learning. We are not the best. We are learning, and yeah, one day we will be the best. One day. So you can't be building your first car and it becomes the best. No. Your third, your fourth, it's gonna be the best, and you're also gonna be the best later in life. Don't just start by being the best. So right now, we're fit. From me, the entertainer Manati and Mogabela here of Mogabela. What you guys think my while is mine, and I'm like, Ivan, of it. You saw the day we got Mogabela, or you are late when you say Mogabela.
Yeah, guys, be patient with Mogabela.
Yeah. Hey, be patient with Mogabela, eh? Don't worry. It's your car. It's your car. You're going to see it. Finally. At the end, you're going to see it.